Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today we're going to be making a German breakfast sandwich, Egg McMuffin style. Alright guys, so one of my fellow YouTubers and buddies, Dr. Taste Good Barbecue, he hit me up. He said, hey, I'm going to do a playlist for October called Doctoberfest. That's right, play on words of Oktoberfest. And he said, make a German video. So what we're doing today is we're going to make an Egg McMuffin, but we're going to do it with a German twist. We're going to start with a pretzel bun, do an egg, a filleted sausage, some sauerkraut, Havarti cheese, and a little bit of stone ground mustard. Let's get started. All right, so the first step is I'm going to take one of these German sausages, I'm going to fillet it down the middle and butterfly it on the griddle. Be really careful if you're going to try this because you might cut yourself. All right, now that I got the sausage filleted, I'm going to butterfly it out, throw it on the griddle. I'm going to use a weight to keep it weighted down. Next, we're taking a pretzel bun. We're going to throw a little bit of oil down on the griddle and get the pretzel bun toasted up as well. Now while we're waiting for those to toast up, I'm going to go ahead and crack an egg in this bowl and mix it with a little bit of milk to get our egg layer. All right, I'm going to give my sausage a flip so the other side gets seared. Now that I've mixed up my egg with a little bit of milk, I'm going to put it down on the griddle, put a little salt and pepper on it, and then throw the bottom bun right on top of the egg. "50-50" salt and pepper. I'm just going to take this bottom bun, throw it right in the middle of that egg so that the bun sticks to the egg, and we'll have, you know, the sandwich all stuck together. All right, the egg is pretty much cooked, so I'm going to flip the bottom half of the sandwich over and start stacking it up. First, I'm going to throw a couple layers of Havarti cheese. Fold the egg back over the bun. Now we're going to take the sausage, throw it on top. I also have a little bit of stone ground mustard I'm going to spread on the top of the bun. I'm going to add some sauerkraut to the top of the sausage. All right, we're ready. I'm going to throw the bun on and then plate this up. Now that the sandwich is done, I'm going to plate it up with a potato pancake. Potato pancake is made from grated potatoes, egg, flour, and seasoning, donated by lovely Lauren. And we're going to add a little bit of mineral water so that we stay hydrated during our breakfast meal. These potato pancakes are a mix of grated potatoes, egg, flour, and spices.
You basically just pull them out with a big spoon or measuring cup, put them onto your griddle, flatten them out, and flip them until they're crispy.
Let me go ahead and give you guys a taste test of this. Look at that. Mmm. Wunderbar. It's awesome. Super juicy. The Havarti is amazing. That's the best cheese you could have chosen for this. Stone ground mustard goes great with the sausage. Germans already know that, I guess. Great. I would highly recommend this. If you're looking for a great breakfast sandwich, get yourself ready for some football, this is one to eat. I had a lot of fun making this sandwich. It's really good. I really like the Havarti on it. If you want to try it out, go ahead and follow this video, or you can check out the link in the description below to my blog where I'll leave the recipe. Also, head over to Dr. Tastegood's barbecue channel. He's a really cool guy, has some really cool videos, and you're going to be able to find a playlist of all the Doctoberfest videos that I've done, he's done, and everybody else that he's collaborating with has done. Subscribe to my channel. I come out with new videos every Thursday. I really enjoy making them. I really enjoy that when you guys enjoy them, and you can show me that by subscribing and liking my videos. I'll catch you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Hallo, ich bin Brad from bbgrillshack.com. Yeah, Speed Racer. Heute machen wir una Sandwich. Un Sandwich?